The 2013 Ford Edge has an attractive exterior, smooth ride, and good fuel economy. However, its reliability is below average, and test drivers have complaints about its available My Ford Touch infotainment controls. Test drivers like the Ford Edge's performance, notably its fuel-sipping EcoBoost 4-cylinder engine. Test drivers say the Edge's handling is composed and smooth in most trims, and they say its precise steering and braking make it especially maneuverable for an SUV. The Ford Edge is the 2013 best two-row midsize SUV for the money because it has the best combination of ownership costs and positive reviews in its class.